Today we will prepare an authentic Nepalese saag using fresh mustard leaves. These can be found in most Asian supermarkets, as can ghee, commonly known as clarified butter, and mustard oil, which has a hot, nutty flavour. Alternatively, you could swap these ingredients for other more common ones such as spinach, butter and vegetable oil if you wish. First, we need to prepare the ingredients. Grab a bunch of washed mustard leaves and roughly chop them, including the stalks and leaves as you chop. Heat some oil in a frying pan to a high heat. Add 1 whole dried red chilli and 1 pinch of cumin seeds to the oil. Scoop 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger and mix the ingredients together. Next, add about half a teaspoon of turmeric and then a good dessert spoon of ghee. Let the butter warm through before adding the mustard leaves. Liberally season with salt before giving all the ingredients a thorough stir through to ensure that all the greens are generously coated with flavour. So there you have it, saag made with mustard leaves, a fresh and very tasty accompaniment to any main meal.